If you're in real estate investing and you don't know how to buy real estate with life insurance, you're missing out on one of the greatest strategies in investing. Hey there, my name is Mike Fritz. I'm the founder of Titanium Capital Investments and the Multifamily CEO System. My greatest passion is helping investors just like you create financial freedom with multifamily real estate. And in this video, I'm going to share with you how to leverage life insurance to buy real estate. When you know this, it opens up another possibility to locate capital, not only with you, but with your investors. And stick around to the end because I have a free gift I want to give you today that teaches how to bust into one of the greatest real estate markets available. So when you're talking about investing in real estate with life insurance, there's two different types of insurance we need to talk about. The first one is whole term life insurance. And in whole term life insurance, it offers you protection for your entire life, but at a premium. There's a significant premium for getting whole term life insurance, and it's a little bit more money. This is why a lot of people duck out of whole term life insurance because it's really expensive to get, but it has a significant upside. Not only does it provide living benefits for the insured, it also can protect your loved ones if you pass away. One of those living benefits it creates while you own the life insurance is it creates a cash value. Well, that cash value is equal to the amount of money you've placed into it. And that cash value can be invested. You can take that cash value, whatever that is, and you can borrow against it or take it and invest it into real estate. By knowing this, if you have whole term life insurance, you can start investing from your own insurance account into real estate. If you don't, you can get it and start building that account in order to buy into real estate. Or if you're working with investors, they don't have any capital. They might not have a retirement account, but they have a life insurance policy where they could borrow against and invest in real estate at a lower percentage than they would make on their money. They're not touching the life insurance anyway. So it's pulling for money they're not using, and it's making money in the process. This is called making free money. This is money I'm not using, I'm not accessing, but I can leverage and really bust into the real estate game. Investors also prefer whole term life insurance due to its tax benefits. There's a lot of great tax benefits that you get by having whole term life insurance, or WLTI. By having this kind of insurance, you'll be able to experience some great tax benefits on the back end. So while it costs a little bit more money, there's some great tax benefits. This is one of the strategies the ultra wealthy use. And I'm talking billionaires use this strategy to invest millions and millions of dollars into real estate. They put it into a life insurance policy, which, by the way, accrues at a higher interest than a bank account. So instead of parking it here, why not park it here? And by investing into real estate, you will put it back in, not taxed on the difference, and it's a massive advantage and a tax advantage. When the ultra wealthy are leveraging this type of strategy, it makes me perk up and say, why are they leveraging this strategy? I love what Tony Robbins says. He says, success leaves clues. And that's a great statement. So if you want to follow the successful and the wealthy, do what they do. If they're investing from an insurance policy, let's figure out why and let's start doing that ourselves. We obviously are going to do it on a smaller scale, but only way to continue to go down the path of wealth is do what the wealthy are doing. And let's mirror their thoughts and their mindsets. And if this is a strategy they're using, I want to know why. Well, this is why. Because you don't get taxed on the difference of when it comes out and when it comes in, and it has that cash value. It's accruing more interest and the tax benefits of not being taxed on the difference. It's a huge benefit to having whole term life insurance. And the second type of insurance is term insurance. Term insurance people love because of its lower premiums. It's lower, meaning, than whole term life insurance because it's not insuring you for your whole life. It's insuring you only for a certain designated term. And no cash value accrues alongside the policy like with whole term life insurance. Because of that, you can't invest from term life insurance. So because there's no accruing cash value next to the policy like there is in whole term, you're not allowed to take that money and invest it in real estate or other investments. So this is a major downside to term insurance. While it's cheaper, it doesn't have the tax benefits and it doesn't have the investment benefits that whole term does. So while it might cost you a little bit more money, I would suggest upgrading to WLTI so that you can invest in real estate from there. So for me, it's much less appealing because there's no cash value accruing. I can't invest in real estate from it, so it really doesn't offer the real benefits of whole term life insurance, and it doesn't appeal to me that much. Yes, it's cheaper, but I'd rather pay a little bit more money and leverage all the benefits that whole term life insurance provides. I want to hear from you. Have you ever used whole term life insurance to invest in real estate? If so, comment below. Let me know what you invested in and how you structured the deal. We love hearing how these deals happen. And the third thing I want to make sure you know about life insurance is make sure you have it because of the value it provides not only to you, but to your loved ones if something happens to you. Your expertise in real estate investing is invaluable, but if something happens to you, whole-term life insurance can be the glue that holds that project together, because maybe your family members that are the heir of your property, they might not know what to do. They might not know how to manage it. Whole-term life insurance can add a policy to that property that can really give you the needed safety you need if something happens to you to protect your family. So again, to underline, every investor should have whole-term life insurance so you can start investing in deals from your policy. I also want to give you a free gift today. I've put together a free 60-minute training, the free multifamily masterclass, which teaches you how to bust into the multifamily real estate game in 60 days or less. So click the link in the description, freemultifamilymasterclass.com, and I'll see you in the training.